Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or Google Chrome on your OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite. So let's open our Google Play Store and try installing any app. So I pressed install, but it will be pending and we can wait even about 20 seconds, it will never download. Let's cancel that for now and move to the Google Chrome. Here we can open any website, like for example YouTube. And as you can see, the website doesn't load as well. So in order to fix this, we'll need to navigate to our settings, scroll all the way down, find the system settings, date and time, and here enable set time automatically. Now if we move back to Google Chrome and reload that page, it works without any problem. And the same is with Google Play Store. Now we can install this same app and it should work without any problem as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.